If you're thinking about a career in policing in Ontario, here's a simple breakdown of what you need before you can apply. First, you must be at least 18 years old and either a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident. You'll also need an Ontario high school diploma or the equivalent. If you've already finished college or university, that counts as well. If your education was completed outside Canada, you'll need to have it assessed to make sure it matches local standards. Next, you'll need a full Class G driver's license with no more than 6 demerit points. You also can't have a criminal record unless you've received a pardon, and you must be someone of good character and habits. Strong English skills are essential. On top of that, you'll need certification in Standard First Aid and CPRC from an approved provider. If you trained outside Ontario, you'll want to confirm that your certification is recognised before applying. The process also involves a series of assessments: medical, psychological, security, financial, and even a detailed background check. Physical fitness is a big part of the job too. You'll need to demonstrate that you can safely handle the demands of policing, which includes passing the shuttle run with a level of at least 7. If you're successful, you'll also have a say in where you might work. During the application, you'll be asked to list 6 preferred posting locations. The Ontario Provincial Police tries to match candidates with their choices, but final placements always depend on operational needs.